How to add a song to photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Start New Project in the bottom to start a new project. From the options that appear, select Movie to build your project from scratch. You will be taken to your media library. Select the photos or videos you want to include in your movie, and then tap Create Movie at the bottom. You are now in the editing timeline where you can arrange your clips. To add music, tap the plus icon in the left and select Audio as shown. Here, tap on Soundtracks to access a library of music. Browse through the available tracks and tap the plus icon next to your chosen song to add it to your project. Once added, you can preview your movie with the background music. When you're satisfied with your creation, tap Done in the top left corner to finalize the project. To save your movie, tap the Share icon at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Save or Share Video option. As you can see, a menu will appear, and from here, select Save Video to export the final movie to your photo library. Following these steps, you can easily add a song to photo on an iPhone.